everyone, welcome to Pharma Patashala. If you have completed D Pharm or you are currently studying D Pharmacy and you are confused about what to do next, then this video is for you. After D Pharm, 70% students choose the wrong career path. Some get stuck at 12,000 salary for years. Some regret not continuing the studies and some don't even know what option they missed. In the next few minutes, I will show every real career option after D Pharmacy with the salary growth and the truth. Before starting, let's recap the career roadmap after D Pharm. Keep this roadmap in mind while watching the video. Every option we discuss will fit somewhere here. Career option 1, community pharmacist or medical shop. After completing D Pharm, the most common and well-known career option is working as community pharmacy, also called retail pharmacist. As a community pharmacist, your main responsibility is to dispense medicine according to doctor prescription, guide patients about dosage, side effect, and storage of medicine, and ensure pharmacy laws are followed. You can work in local medical shop, chain pharmacies like Apollo, MedPlus, Wellness Forever, or you can open your own medical shop after registration. Here comes the salary reality. As a fresher, salary usually ranges between 10,000 to 18,000 per month. If you open your own medical store, income depend on location, competition, and the business skill. Growth. This field has slow salary growth but high business potential. Long working hours, standing for many hours, and business pressures are common. So this option is best for students who want business independence and ready to take responsibility. So if you are interested just in a business, so you can go. Career option 2, hospital pharmacist. The second important career option after D Pharm is becoming hospital pharmacist. Hospital pharmacists work inside hospitals and handle medical dispensing to inpatient, stock and inventory management, coordination with doctor and nurses, maintaining proper drug records. So you can work in private hospital or government hospitals. Salary. Private hospital usually pay 12,000 to 20,000 per month. Government hospitals offers better pay with job security. Reality check. Growth is very limited with high qualification. Shift duty includes night shift are common. So suitable for the student who want a stable clinical environment. Career option 3. Government jobs after D Pharmacy. So government jobs are one of the most dreamed career options after D Pharm. Common government posts include state government pharmacist, ESIC pharmacist, railway pharmacist, health department roles. So selection may be through competitive exams conducted by state PSC or railway recruitment boards, etc. Career option 4, pharma industry job. Many students think D Pharm gives direct entry into pharma company. But the truth is, core industry roles are limited from D Pharm holders. Possible roles includes production assistant, packaging department, warehouse executive, and documentation support. Salary is ranges from 10,000 to 15,000 per month initially. But the reality is growth is slow. Officer level position usually requires B Pharm or M Pharm. Use this option to gain experience, not as a final career goal. Career option 5, pharma sales or medical representative. D Pharm students can also work as a medical representative. Your role includes meeting doctors, promoting medicines, achieving monthly sales, and traveling extensively. Salary usually ranges from 15,000 to 25,000 per month plus incentives. Reality for this medical representative is high pressure and competition with B.Pharm student. So this is suitable for those who are confident, energetic, and goal-oriented students. So the career option 6, higher study, best long-term options. So one of the smartest decision after D.Pharm is going for higher study like B pharmacy. So there will be more advantages like more job roles, higher salary, enter into QA, QC, CRO, PV, regulatory affairs. So if your family condition is stable, if you have time and financial investment, so I strongly recommend you to continue your B Pharm studies. Career options 7, self-employment and business. So after completing D.Pharm, you can open your own medical store, wholesale drug license, online pharmacy partnership. So the reality is initial investment needed, business risk involved, but profit can be high if successful. So ideal for the student with business mindset. So my final advice is after completing the D.Pharm, if your family is well settled and ready to invest money in your studies, you can continue your B.Pharm studies because B.Pharm give more long-term growth and stability compared to D.Pharmacy. So upgrade your skill, stay informed and plan wisely. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe to Pharma Patashala. In upcoming videos, I will explain jobs after B.Pharm, interview preparation, and exam tips.